Critical thinking in academic writing. Hello learners. Today, we'll dive deep into a vital component of academic writing, critical thinking and analysis. By understanding and mastering this skill, you'll not only strengthen your academic papers but also enhance your decision-making in daily life. So, let's get started. Critical thinking refers to the objective analysis and evaluation of an issue to form a judgment. In simple terms, it's not just about absorbing information but asking the right questions, spotting inconsistencies, and making connections between ideas. Importance. In academic writing, it ensures that your arguments are solid, well-reasoned, and supported by evidence. Key elements. Questioning assumptions. Don't just accept things at face value. Evaluating arguments. Determine whether they are strong or weak. Making inferences. Drawing conclusions from the evidence available. Analysis is the process of breaking a complex topic into smaller parts to gain a better understanding. When you analyze, you're looking at different aspects of an issue and how they relate to one another. Analyzing data, it's not enough to just present data. You need to interpret it. What does it mean? How does it support your argument? Analyzing texts. When reviewing sources, always consider the author's perspective and potential biases. How do these factors influence the content? 1. Start with questions. Before you begin writing, ask yourself what you're trying to say, why it's important, and how you can support it. 2. Present multiple perspectives. A balanced view often strengthens your argument. Discuss alternate viewpoints and explain why your perspective is the most valid. 3. Use reliable sources. Ensure your evidence is from credible, up-to-date, and relevant sources. 4. Avoid logical fallacies. These are errors in reasoning that weaken your argument. Examples include overgeneralizations or making assumptions without evidence. 5. Seek feedback. Sometimes, another set of eyes can spot areas in your work that lack critical depth. To wrap up, critical thinking and analysis are cornerstones of strong academic writing. They enable you to present compelling, evidence-based arguments that stand up to scrutiny. Remember, it's not just about presenting information, but about presenting it in a thoughtful, reasoned manner. Happy writing, and we hope this video helps elevate your academic endeavors.